I'm sure everyone's aware how recent events has unfortunately put us in a difficult situation. I'm sorry to say, but because Judge Balmores is still currently recovering, the responsibilities of leading this firm falls onto me. Rest assured, hindi ko bibiguin ang ating misyon. Judge Balmores built this law firm on the principles of integrity, excellence, and justice, and it is up to us to carry on his legacy. Utang natin kay Judge Balmores ipagpatuloy ang kanyang nasimulan. Panghawakan ng mga aral, simulaing itinuro niya sa ating lahat, and we will not fail him. I suggest you roll up your sleeves and get to work. Sa magkakaisa natin, malalampasan natin lahat ng hahadlang sa atin patungo sa hinahangad ni Judge Benito Balmores. Hustisya para sa lahat. Para kay Judge Balmores.
Carlo J. Caparas, lumuhod ka sa lupa. Weekdays sa Hapon Champion.